Today, I'll be addressing a really important scheme or a scam, if I may, which is really prevalent in the cryptocurrency market. And if you have been in the cryptocurrency space, you have probably heard about pumps and dumps. And if you haven't, trust me, sooner or later you'll come across this and you need to avoid this. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Aryan and let's get started. I'll be explaining the pump and dump scam to you with a real life example of a pump signal which recently happened so that you understand this thing better and also spread awareness among your friends and family to not get scammed like this. But before that, you need to understand what a pump means. So, a pump in the most simplest terms is nothing but an inflation in a coin or a token's price. So, how this works is that there are groups of millions of members on Telegram or Discord, and what they do is that they start building up hype 2 or 3 weeks before, and they announce a particular date and a time when the token's name will be listed. And as soon as that date and the time is reached, they announce the coin, and the plan which they portray is that you could enter as soon as the coin is listed and sell when it pumps or when the price is inflated so that you can get that margin of profit. But that is not how it works, and I'll show you that in detail. I've created a quick flowchart for you all so that you can understand the process better as I take you through this. So one of the major factors of these pumps and dumps are hype and gathering people and luring them into thinking that this is a get rich quick scheme. In front of me right now, I have a Telegram group with approximately 2.35 million members, and the group's name is Crypto Binance Trading Signals and Pumps. So what these people do is that they start hyping the pump way before it is actually there. So as you can see, 6 days left until our big pump on Binance, and they do a daily countdown until the day itself. And on the day itself, they do an hourly countdown and 10 minutes left. How much BTC will you invest in today's pump? 2 minutes left, and boom, the pump. The coin we have picked to pump today is IDEX. So this is a pump back from April 25th, and I'll take you through the charts of this and I'll really show you what's happening there. But I want you to notice this here. As you can see, there are hundreds of thousands of people watching this, and potentially thousands of many new investors who are going to get scammed by this. 300k, 300, 400, 15k. The volume for these pumps is huge, and the only people who benefit from these pumps and dumps are the people who have created the group, and that is what not everybody understands. Let me explain this to you with the graphs. So this is April 17th. This is IDEX BTC, which it was the coin which they decided to pump. So April 17th, 18th, we are heading towards the date, and as you can see, 25th April, 10:30. This was on 25th April, and the coin was announced on 10:30 exactly. And here you can see a big spike in the price with huge volumes. But what you need to understand is that the people benefiting from these pumps are the admins, and they accumulate the coin in these ranges when the coin has not really been announced. As you can see, the volume is increasing here, and this is because the people who are the owners of the group have probably started buying this. And exactly on 10:30 we see a huge spike. So what these people do is that they buy it early, they start buying in from this range, and they sell it when all the normal people start pumping it. So they would get approximately a profit of 166%, which is huge for them. But for innocent, genuine members of the group, they only get to see the sad dump. This is exactly 10:30, and you can see there was a huge pump of 60, say approximately 64%, but then there was a huge dump again of approximately minus 24%. So, and after this, the coin went stable because these people just pick up coins which are basically dead and they just want to play around with it. The remaining steps of the flowchart: the coin name announcement, which we saw, the pump, which was only beneficial for the people who have made the group, as you saw and as you understood, and ultimately the big dump, which would probably make normal and genuine investors lose a ton of money, and ultimately they get wrecked. Don't fall for this scam. Getting wrecked is nothing but losing all your money if you're confused. You might ask me that if the scam is so obvious, then why do people send me messages saying that come join in this group, you are going to experience the biggest pump of your lifetime? Well, what happens inside the group is that there is a multi-level marketing angle, and they give out schemes like if you invite 100 people or 200 people, we will tell you the coin's name 10 or 15 seconds before. So people even fall for that and they start sending out invites so that they get the extra 10 or 15 seconds. But in these pumps and dumps, it doesn't really matter. So today you saw how these pump and dump groups function, and I broke everything down for you, and I hope you understood how this scheme works out so that you can explain to your friends and family who are into the crypto space that they need to stay away from this stuff. More importantly, I would like to invite you all to the Moonbase Crypto Community channel. This is a crypto community server which is by crypto enthusiasts and for crypto enthusiasts. It does not matter if you are new to the cryptocurrency space or if you are a veteran in the space. We have all kinds of important news here. We have a question section, we have updates for a few coins, crypto analysis. There is the freshest news about cryptocurrency which you need to know, the Learn Zone, and a couple of voice and text channels where you can come and just hang out. This is the crypto analysis section, and on April 26th I posted that if we break down on this ascending line, big drop incoming, and this was when Bitcoin dropped from its all-time high and it was forming a bearish pattern. So I did a little TA or technical analysis here, and 3 hours later approximately, boom, it dropped from the ascending line. It was a 5% drop, and this was a really good buying opportunity. Another thing I would like to show you is this Dogecoin technical analysis, and I said that Doge Moon after we break this resistance at 0.28 or 28 cents, and this was on 27th of April. One day later I again posted the confirmation of the breakout, and this was when Elon Musk tweeted about the SNL and the Doge father thing, and a couple of days later, boom, we went from 28 cents to 36 cents, and right now the Dogecoin's price is approximately sitting around 65 cents. That was a clean 2x for everybody who saw this. If you liked what you saw here on the Discord server, make sure you join the community as soon as possible. The link is in the description. I'll see you there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
हैरान और उनको तू बोलने दे, बोलेंगे उनको तो करना सिर्फ ये काम, नाकाम दूसरे पे चलने वाले शैतान, अंदर के इंसान को पहचान। मैं आता जब भी माइक पे तो होता यहाँ पे कब्जा, ये जो तूने बोला मैंने बोल चुका कब का, भेजा पहाड़ सा सोचता नहीं हल्का, रैपर्स के धंधे पे डाल दिया पर्दा, घर जा।